Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'm sharing 3 super easy alternative to the magic ring. We use magic rings in all the projects like amigurumis and small applique, hats, beanies and blankets, coasters and granny squares. And in this video I'll show you the best alternatives for each one of these categories. So stick around till the end, you will know exactly which method to use for your next project. So don't forget to save this video for later reference. So the 3 methods we are discussing today are first chain method, chain ring method, double magic ring method. First chain method. Hold your yarn as usual. Take your hook and grab this yarn. And now turn your hook 360-degree. You can see a nice twist here. And now make a chain. As the name itself suggests, we will turn this very first chain into our magic ring. Now make as many chains as you want. If the row is single crochet, make 1 chain because the height of a single crochet is 1 chain. If it is half double crochet, make 2. If it is double crochet, make 3. If it is triple crochet, make 4 chains. But for this demonstration, I'm making double crochet row. So make 3. And now you can see we can turn this first chain into a magic circle. We will make double crochets, 11 double crochets. And don't forget to hide this tail while you work. So second one, third one, after making 12 double crochets, just pull this to bring the loops closer and close this circle. And now make a slip stitch. Chain 1 and cut your yarn. So you can use this for your amigurumi projects and other small applique. But the disadvantage of this is not very secure to use in heavy projects like blankets and all. So the second method which I'm about to tell you is very suitable for heavy projects. The second method is chain ring method. To do that, we will make a regular slip knot and make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. After making 4 chains, we will slip stitch into the first chain we made. This creates a circle like this. So this circle we will consider as magic ring. So before that we will make 3 chains. This 3 chain is now considered as first double crochet. I will make 11 more double crochet. After making 12 double crochets, we will slip stitch, chain 1 and cut your yarn. So this is the chain ring method. We are turning the chains into a circle, you can see a large hole in the middle. To eliminate that, just pull the tail like this and hide this tail further. The advantage of this method is it is very secured. You can use this method for your heavy projects like blankets. And the disadvantage of using this is the center is very chunkier. So it is not very ideal for your amigurumi projects. You want your centers to be flat for your amigurumi projects. So you can use this for heavy projects but not for amigurumi projects. To make double magic ring method, hold your yarn like this, wrap the yarn around your index finger 3 times like this, and hold it with these 2 fingers. Now you have 3 loops. Insert your hook under the first 2 loops and then slowly grab the third loop to this side and then make a chain. Now you can slowly remove the ring. This is almost similar to your conventional magic ring, but instead of 1 loop, we have 2 loops here, 1 and 2. So make as many stitches inside this 2 rings. I will show you how to pull the tail. Pulling the tail after the end of this row is quite tricky in this one, so I'll show you how to do it. So after this, make 3 chain, and I'll make 11 double crochet, and I'll meet you at the end and show how to pull this tail. After making 12 double crochet, now pull the tail. As you can see, only this loop is moving. This loop is moving, but this is not. You can see once again. So this is moving and this one is not. So we need to hold that yarn and pull the loops closer. And then pull the tail like this. Make a slip stitch and chain 1 and cut your yarn. So this is the double magic ring method. This is perfect for almost all the projects. I could say this is a twin sister of magic ring. It serves all the purpose a magic ring can, and also easier to make. But pulling the tail is a little tricky. If you are comfortable with that part, this is almost easily can replace magic ring. So for the first and third method, as you can see, the center is very flat, but the second one, you can see the center part is a bit chunky. If you still want to learn how to make a magic ring in conventional method, I'll leave the link to my video in the iCard above here. You can go and check. Hope you like this method useful. If you do, share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks of crochet. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.